Welcome to Cloudy 360 computer training class. Okay, what we are going to study now is how to hide Excel sheets, right? Assuming you are working in the public and after working, the system or the laptop is not your personal computer, right? So you are working maybe in an organization or in the bank. Finish operating on the Excel sheet and you want to hide your work from another person seeing what you did, this is what you will do. Come to this place. As you can see, this is sheet 1, this is sheet 2, right? Then this is sheet 4, right? And this sheet 4, I want to hide it. So what I will do is that I will click on this, right? I will right click. When I right click, you see this option here, right? That is hide. Click on it. So you finally hide that sheet. So what you are seeing here is sheet 1 and sheet 2. Now, if you want to operate on that sheet 4 again, what you will do is come to this sheet 2. You right click, right? You see this place on hide. Then you click that on hide. You click it. 4, you click OK to unhide it. Then sheet 4 will appear again. Thank you.